Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M5 in Forza Horizon 4. First, ensure you have enough in-game credits, as this is crucial for purchasing vehicles. Next, navigate to the game's main menu and prepare to explore the various car acquisition options available. We'll walk through each step, making it simple to add this powerful car to your collection. Get ready to enhance your racing experience with the M5. One straightforward way to get your BMW M5 is through the in-game Auto Show. From the main menu, select Auto Show and then browse by manufacturer. Find BMW, and you should see the M5 listed. It typically costs around 105,000 credits, so make sure your balance is sufficient. This method guarantees a brand new car, ready for immediate use and customization. Another excellent option is the auction house, where players sell their cars. You can often find great deals here, potentially saving you many credits. Navigate to the auction house from the main menu, then search for the BMW M5. Filter your results by buyout price or current bid to find the best value. Be quick, as popular cars like the M5 can sell fast. Congratulations on getting your BMW M5. Now the real fun begins. Head to your garage to customize it with new paint, body kits, and performance upgrades. Experiment with different tunes to find what works best for your driving style and the various race types. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy dominating the roads of Forza Horizon 4.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.